Now, the ED has issued a show cause notice to Kerala Chief Minister, ex-Minister Isaac in the bond case, and the Enforcement Directorate has issued a rupee 466 crore FEMA show cause notice to Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, former Finance Minister Thomas Isaac, and the Chief Minister's Chief Principal Secretary K.M. Ibrahim in the KIIFB Masala bond case. The notice, which does not require a personal appearance, it was issued about 10 to 12 days ago by the Federal Probe Agency under the provisions of the Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA. A show cause notice is issued after the end of the investigation. In this investigation, and the contravention quantified it is akin to a penalty. This is the latest that we are getting right now. So the ED has issued a show cause notice to Pinarayi Vijayan as well. For more on this, we have with us Neetu. Thank you so much for joining us. What can you tell us?
Hello?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Right. I just wanted to know that this is the latest that we're getting right now, a show cause notice being issued to Pinarayi Vijayan and others. What can you tell us?
Yes, a show cause notice has been issued to Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, former Finance Minister T.N. Thomas Isaac. This is in connection with the Masala bonds of the KIFBI. KIFBI is basically the Kerala Infrastructure Development Fund Board. Masala bonds is something which they had issued bonds from the London Stock Exchange, and they had used it for the infrastructural purposes after the 2018 floods. So earlier also a notice was issued to Finance Minister Dr. T.N. Thomas Isaac, former Finance Minister. He had approached the Kerala High Court also. What we are understanding is that ED has finished their investigation into this, and a report has been submitted, and it's based on that the notices have been issued to these people, and there is some FEMA violation that has been found, and hence the notice has been issued is what we are understanding.
Right, of course, we're given to understand this does not require a personal appearance. It was issued about 10 to 12 days ago, and the end of the investigation, the contravention quantified is akin to a penalty. What can you tell us about that? So what are we expecting?
Yes, that's what we are understanding, that this does not require a personal appearance. Through your counsel, you can approach, you can give the response to the show cause notice that has been issued. But this is also something which will come up politically. We know that the state is at the steps of local body elections right now, and in another 6 months, the state is going to the assembly elections. So the opposition has been raising, especially then opposition leader Ramesh Chennithila has been raising issues with this Masala bonds right from the time it was issued. And definitely the Congress will be raising this, and they are also alleging that there is some kind of an understanding between the CPM and the BJP, and every time when elections near, this will be issued, but nothing really concrete happens after that.
All right, we also have Arunima live with us. Thank you so much for joining us, Arunima. Of course, this is the latest that we're getting right now, that the ED has issued a show cause notice to Kerala Chief Minister, ex-Minister Isaac in this case. What can you tell us? What's your assessment of this?
So it's a 466 crore FEMA notice which does not require personal appearance, but it requires a detailed response to the notice from the person who's got it. So in this case, the show cause notice has been sent to ex-minister and also to the current Chief Minister. Pinarayi Vijayan and Thomas Isaac have received these notices, as well as the Principal Secretary K.M. Ibrahim. This is the KIIFB Masala bond case, and there the Enforcement Directorate feels that there is violation of FEMA, which is the Foreign Exchange Maintenance Act, and they want answers from the Chief Minister and his team, current and former, about the manner in which this entire bond was executed, and whether the rules were followed as far as FEMA is concerned. Like I said, personal appearance is not required, but the fact that this notice is going on the eve of local body elections in Kerala, it is bound to be made an issue about violation of the law of the land by the opposition, the opposition which could target the Kerala government on that issue.
All right, Arunima, thank you so much for joining us with all that information. Of course, we'll continue to